Hey there, YouTube. So today we are getting the bed off the old Silverado. Uh, right now we got it all unbolted and stuff. I didn't want to film that. I didn't really think it would be necessary. But now we're just lifting it off with the old crane truck. And then, yeah, that's about all we're doing here. We're going to pick it up. And then, yeah, we kind of forgot that we had to fill in that. Well, it was unattached, but the cap was still on it, so it was holding it from us being able to take the bed completely off. Yeah, just my brother didn't do it, so he was out playing the plane at the moment. Then yeah, we got it undone. Now we're just gonna move the bed over out of our way. Alright, so we got the bed out of the way. We're just looking over the frame, seeing what we see. And then we realized we gotta take we had to wheel bumper off the truck, so getting the tools together to allow us to do that. Get the bumper out, put in the old bed. Get that done. Now we're just working on getting the utility bed unstrapped from the trailer, and we're just gonna get that rigged up. How we're gonna lift it. And right now we got it hooked on the hook. We're just gonna get it lifted up and spun over and put in place. Try not to hit anything in the process. So, yeah. I got my brother out there helping me with all this. I was trying to put it on just like it was, without removing the bumper or anything, but as you'll see in a few minutes that okay, so right now we're trying to get the bed positioned on the frame. Make sure it's all where it's supposed to be. We noticed that when we were trying to set it down, that the bumper brackets were hitting the frame. Was hitting the frame of the truck. So you see me pulling out the old option settling. We're just gonna cut the brackets off and figure out from there. I don't believe I'm gonna reuse the old bumper. I said this in another part of the video as well, but it's just so far gone. It's so beat up, and I can just build one that I'll find more useful. So that's my plan. So I have my dad out here, my dad out here, give me a hand with all this. My brother's actually cutting right now. He's being a little cocky. He's like, "Oh, I'll let the mechanic cut it." I said, "Okay, whatever." So he cut it, cut the one, and then cut the other one, and yeah. Okay, we're gonna get that done, and then yeah. But a lot of these you just take the backs off and not cut them. whoever put this bump on welded the brackets to the bump instead of bolting it, so we had to cut the brackets. I mean, it's not that big a deal because, like I said, the bump was pretty beat up to begin with. If it would fit and walk, I might have used it, but since I got to modify it anyway, I got some 8-inch diamond tread. I think I got at the house. I'm just gonna build me a new bump or something a little more sturdy, probably, that I can put a vise on and not have to worry about it. That's all we're doing here. Just gonna cut the two brackets off. Yeah, and then we just got undo the bolts. Under the bolts. Oh, YouTube. So I had to get the old grinder out and with a cutoff wheel because the bottom of the boxes was touching the. It was like an inch too short to clear the spring shackles, so I had to notch out. I had to cut out both sides. It only be about 2 inches on each side. That way I have plenty of clearance. Don't have to worry about anything else. But you see me doing here, just cutting out them, and then I'll have to just build me some inserts. I did the same thing on the welding truck when I put that bed on. But that one I did more like 4 or 5 inches in. This one I have to do 2 inches, and it'll clear just fine. I know if I measured all this and got a different bed, it probably would have just fit on, but I didn't. And for the price I got it, if that's all I got to do to it, I'll be just fine. But yeah, just gonna get it modified. Not modified. Sorry. I'm just gonna get it cut, and then get everything situated, get it set back down, and then you'll see how it ends up. Set on pretty well, and then just gonna double check my clearance on the springs. I think I have to cut a little bit more, but this was at least enough to get it on there and get it at least figured out what I have to do. Once I get it out, then I'll finish it up. But yeah, then what was I getting? Oh, again, tape measure. I just wanted to make sure it was square on the frame. It didn't have to go over, which did have to go over a little bit one way or the other. So. Other than that, I mean, it went pretty simple. Not as many issues as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, that's pretty much all I do. I'm just going to get it centered up and get it where I want it. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all I got to do. I still got to do all the cap corners and all that, but that's for a different day. I just want to test fit it, make sure it's going to fit, make sure we don't have to do any major modifications or anything. But yeah. I want to thank y'all for watching. I got a clip coming up after this, just a little overcap. Overcap, something like that of everything. Just saying what I did, what I like, what I didn't like. But alright, well, thank y'all for watching. Howdy YouTube. So, as you see, we got this set on. We got the box set on the Silverado. There's an old bed. As you can see, very much rusted out. So that's why it looked good for a while, but then it just caught up with it. But that's why I decided to go with this bed. Still gotta do the cap corners and all that. That's gonna be the project for this week. And I'll mess with that this week. But yeah, this is what I got going. Got it test fitted on. It fits pretty well. It's a little bit higher from up here than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it would be down more right there. But I think that's just because this is on a, these are designed for a cabin chassis, not a normal pickup. I could be wrong, it could be how all of them is, I just haven't noticed. But I mean, if I really want to change that, I could always put like a 2-inch body lift on it, but I'm not that concerned. I think it's gonna do just fine for what I need. I don't think I'm gonna use the bumper that came with it. I think I'm just gonna end up making one, just for simplicity's sake and making it look. The other one's just awfully beat up to be doing what I'm doing with it. But yeah, I got it off. Did all that. I'm just trying to think of what else. Yeah, it fits pretty good on this. I was kind of surprised. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice little truck to have once it's finished. But today I'm gonna take the box back off, and yeah, I'm gonna take the box back off and take it in and take the truck into the garage and get ready to do all the cap corners and all that. But I'll probably put me taking off the old bed and putting this one on. I did a video with my GoPro, so that should be it going on after this. But yeah, so I'll keep you up to date with everything once I get more done. But I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more.